Hello student, welcome to the maths online classes. Today again I am here with new topic, that is mode subtraction. Subtraction we have done, but mode subtraction means something new, something different methods. In previous chapter we have done a lot of method to do the subtraction by drawing dots, slanting lines, hopping lines, counting on, counting back. A lot of methods are there, but two methods are still left, and these are the methods that we are using in the bigger classes also. In the next classes you have to use these methods, right? So let's start the subtraction. What is the subtraction, students? That means taking away something from something, or just decrease the value. So here are two methods, without grouping method and with grouping method. Today I am going to explain only this method without grouping. It means we are not making any group. Separately we will decreasing the number, or we will subtract the number. So in this method we will write numbers. First we will write numbers in tens and ones place and then subtract, right? So let's take one example. The number is subtract 5 from 17. Okay, let's take one example, student. The example is subtract 5 from 17. 5 from 17. So first of all, according to this method, we have to write the numbers in the ones and tens form. So write tens and ones. Right, the bigger number. So first tens and ones place you have written, students. This is very important. You have to write tens and ones place when it is a 2-digit and a 1-digit number. If it is a 3-digit number, then we move to the 100 place. So this is a bigger number. So write always the bigger number on the top, because this is the minute. Always we have to subtract the smaller number. This is the subtrahend and minute. Always we subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. And this is a 1-digit number, so it means it comes only on the ones place. Here, student, the tens place is blank. No problem, student. Leave it as it is. So now we have to start subtracting from the ones place. Here this is 7 and this is 5. We can easily see the 7 is bigger than 5. We need not any help to subtract 5 from 7. So this is called without grouping. We need not any help. When we need any help to subtract the number, then it is called a with grouping method. So here the 7 is bigger, so let's subtract 7 and 5. So when we subtract 7, we will take 5 from 7, it comes 2, right? When nothing is there, it means here it is 0, or we can say 1 minus 0 equals to 0, or directly you can write a number as it is. So 12 is the answer. Okay students, let's take one more example, and this is a word problem. So in subtraction we also have such type of questions. In this type of question, first you have to read the question, understand it, and make the statement, and then we will subtract. So let's read out the question. There are 36 students in a class. This is the first statement. Okay, total number of students in the class are 36. 23 students went for a competition. Okay, 23 are for the competition. They are ready, they are gone. How many students are left in the class? Are left in the class, it means we have to find the remaining students they are in the class. So first of all, students, I have written the statement like this, and you also have to frame the statements, and the statements are different for different questions. Total number of students, and before that we have written there's ones and tens. This is very important, and here both the numbers are of 2-digit number. So the total number of students are 36. In the next line, students went for competition 23, and put this sign. This is very important while doing the questions. Put the sign, minus sign, plus sign, whatever the question is this. So now the total number of left students are there. Again we have to check, is this ones place digits 6 and 3. 6 is bigger than 3, so we can easily subtract. So 3 is the answer, and here 3 minus 2 is 1. So at the end you have to write the statement, 13 students are left in the class. Students are left in the class, right students? So this is the way to do the subtraction with this method. This is a without regrouping method, right student? Okay students, after explaining this method, you understand how to subtract two numbers with the help of regrouping method, without regrouping method. And you can also use these subtraction in your daily life, like you can discuss with your parents. Suppose you have 24 pencils, color pencils in your bag, and you have used 4 pencils out of this, so remaining number of pencils that are unused. Like you can also use some other examples, like okay, total number of dresses you have, like so you have 50 dresses. Out of 10 you have 12 dresses you are given to the orphanage for the poor children, so remaining dresses you have. In this way you can do this oral questions also, and you can implement these methods in your daily life also. Thank you students. Stay home, stay healthy.